Hey everybody, want to make this really quick video to show you some awesome carbon fiber interior trim accessories that Hannshow sent out. If you want just small things that could really upgrade if you're into the carbon fiber look, the interior and the vibe of the Cybertruck, these are going to be for you. Let's check these out. As you can see, my Cybertruck is the white interior, not the tactical gray, but this carbon fiber dash trim, I absolutely love this. It looks so good. They have a glossy version. I got the matte one. You still get all the ambient lighting. The vents still work the same. It's two pieces, one for this side, one for the passenger side. They meet in the middle right here behind the screen, so you can't see any seams or anything. Such a clean look. I absolutely love this aesthetic. And for the white, at least, it might not be for the tactical gray, it helps with reflections of this corner area reflecting when the sun is hitting it just right. I absolutely love the way this looks, and it was super easy to install as well. Next up, we have this center console area around the cup holders. One piece going all the way from here with the cup holders all the way down to the back side with this secondary piece that goes on and around the back screen. You can see it here, you can see it down there. Nice and seamless. Just gives a nice, in my opinion, like, I'm not a huge like, oh, everything's gotta be carbon fiber, but I just love the, especially with the matte, the accent that this gives to the truck. I think it looks so good. They were super easy to install, really clean, just 3M adhesive, sticks right on. Taking that, especially, I think the main dash piece right here, that kind of starts it, and these are just like nice accent pieces to complete the look. I absolutely love the way this looks. So there you go, some really fun, simple, but really clean upgrades for your Cybertruck. If you want to check them out, I'll have a link to Hanshow's website in the description down below, as well as a discount code. It'll be on screen right here, I believe. As of now, it saves you 10% off your order. So if you want to check it out for either your Cybertruck, if you have another Tesla model, they have a bunch of accessories for those as well. And I believe some other vehicles, also Rivian, I think, and a few others. So again, if you want to, hit the link description down below, check them out for yourself. I love the way this looks personally for me. It might not be for everybody, but I really like just simple, clean, aesthetic upgrade. I think it looks really good. Again, they have it in matte, they have it in gloss as well, for all the different pieces, as well as a few others that I just don't have because I wanted kind of this vibe and this setup for my truck. But if it's something you're into, again, check it out, link in the description down below. Thank you all for watching. See you soon in the next one. Bye.